Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you this GS3680 industrial vacuum cleaner that works for both wet and dry applications. Its main function is to suck up dust and water in industrial environments. It's powered by three built-in 1200-watt motors, providing strong power. It has a 3-speed switch, which can be used for different working conditions. The standard accessories include a 40mm diameter pass, a 2.5 meter long hose, connectors, two sections of stainless steel pipe, a dust suction nozzle, a water suction nozzle, a brush, and a flat nozzle. Let's take a look at how these accessories are connected. After connecting them, let's check out the ports of the GS3680. Let's see how to maintain it. If you suck up water, you can drain the water from the stainless tank from the drain space. If you suck up dust or other substances, you can lift the clips on the machine hand upwards and open the clips on both sides. Take off the machine hand. Take out the internal filter element. Lift the handle here. Flip the tank over and empty the garbage. Okay, that's all for the introduction of the GS3680, your purpose industrial vacuum